guys, this is Go Mama. Don't mind the hat. It's cold, cold, cold here. So, we're gonna start our series on tanning. That's right, tanning hides. Yes, I've got 2 deer hides here that I need to tan. We're gonna do one in the home tanning kit solution and one in an alm solution. So what you will need is, of course, your deer hide, and it's almost ready to come out of here. I froze it. It was in the freezer. You need to let it unthaw, and that takes a few days. These are your tanning tools. This is the tanning kit that I use. If anybody's interested, it is online. I will be using the oil for this process, not the full kit for this one. You're going to need alum, and you're also going to need non-iodized salt, which means that it's canning salt for this project. You will also need a lovely stand to get all of the fat off your hide. Now, my husband built me this stand. I just wanted to kind of show it to you because last year I was doing hides for the first time, and he built me this stand out of just stuff that we had here because we had so much snow that we couldn't get into the back to get a piece of wood. So he built this for me. It works really, really good. Hi guys. Okay, so I started the pelt. I wanted to show you. It's kind of, it's a little stinky. We did not have time to get any of this stuff off. That's the meat from the pelt part because it was so cold. So what I'm doing now is I am taking, this is why you have to have your tools. I have this, the pelt right up against me here. And I am actually just pulling down on the pelt. And if you see, if you notice, it goes right down to the leather. This will be your leather part of the pelt, okay? You need to get all of this stuff off, even on the edges. On the edges, if you look here, there's edging that I will take off later. I'm trying to get all of this, you know, all of this stuff off here first. And then I'll go around the edges with my smaller tools and get this stuff off, okay? Now, you have to be careful with this tool. If you're not careful, you will go right down into the pelt with it. And you don't want to do that. You just want to do it a little bit at a time. It is very time consuming, guys. Take your time, do it the right way, and you will turn out, your pelt will turn out really, really nice. Okay, guys? So after you have stripped your hide of the fat, this is what it should look like. Now, it's still dirty. I do not wash my hides until after they get soaked. right now I have this orange. It's a 5-gallon tote. I have put 2 gallons of water in it. I am now going to put a cup of ice salt in it, and we're gonna do our almond, and I'm gonna stir this up just like this. And then we're gonna put our hide in this. Okay guys, when you put the hide in, you're gonna wanna push it down. You're gonna wanna get all that alum in there. You're gonna wanna turn it, push it down, and soak it in there. And then you're gonna let it sit for 3 days. Every day, you're gonna come and you're gonna turn it and soak it. Every day. And it's gonna turn and soak. Okay, guys? Your skin, this part here, your leather part, will turn all white. This also kills any bugs that's on the leather or in the hide.